This video, I show you how to earn $100 per hour by just watching videos, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. How to do it? We're about to find out. This is how to earn money online by watching videos. Also, only a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with notification on. It's free and you can always change your mind later. In that way, I will notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online. You can be one of the first to use it. Thus, of course, make the most money. Imagine clicking on a YouTube video, watching it for 30 seconds, and making money over and over again. Here are some of the payment proofs. As you can see here, $15, $60, $25, $10.75, and there were literally pages and pages of real payment proofs. Now, I'm so thrilled to share with you these 4 amazing websites that get you paid by simply watching YouTube videos. So here's how much money you can earn from this. If you get started on just one website, you can earn $18 per hour at the bare minimum. When you make use of 2 websites, you can earn at least $50 per hour. And when you're using 4 different websites to watch videos, you can earn up to $100 per hour. So I highly recommend you to watch this video all the way through for you to know about all of these 4 websites to maximize your earnings. And don't worry, because all of these websites are 100% legit and are absolutely free to join. The best part is that it's available worldwide. Now, right before I explain you how you can do this, let me know in the comments what is your preferred payment method. In that way, I can make sure that every single video I'll release is meant for you. So drop your preferred payment method in the comments down below. And don't forget, I'll be giving special bonus tips that will allow you to earn double or even triple more money compared to other people. So make sure to stick around and keep watching all the way until the end. Now let's get back to the video. The first website on our list is called ucubes.com. As you can see here, they have over 700,000 members and were established since 2007. So you can basically earn cash online by viewing different websites, completing surveys, and more importantly watching videos. And 20,000 payments have already sent out to people all around the world. In order to sign up for a free account, all you got to do is just click on this button right here, where it says sign up free. And that will then take you to this page, where you can see right here, sign up, it's free. Now you're just going to enter your email address, create a password, fill out your full name, username, gender, and date of birth, and choose your country of residence by clicking this drop-down arrow. So as you can see, they are accepting people from all countries around the world. And I'm just curious where you're coming from watching this right now. Let me know in the comments section below so in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. Now from here, how did you hear about them? You can just type in YouTube and then just tick on I'm not a robot and click register. And from there, you can now watch a simple YouTube video just like this one for about 30 to 60 seconds and get paid by doing so. A shorter video will pay you less money, while a longer one will pay you more. As part of the bonus tips, what I usually do is I just mute the video and just let it play in the background without actively watching it. And generally, I open up multiple tabs, and in every tab, I open up different videos. By doing so, you can essentially make more money in much lesser time. And another thing that I usually do is make use of both of my smartphone and laptop to watch different videos so that I could speed up the earnings as well. So from there, I want to share with you a few tips right on YouTube that will allow you to watch the videos faster. As you can see here, when you click on settings, which is represented by the gear icon, and then click on playback speed, you can actually double up the speed of the video by clicking on 2. By doing so, you can actually watch a 30-second video in just 15 seconds because the speed right now is doubled. That's actually one of the very effective strategies to make money faster by simply watching YouTube videos. Another tip that I want to share with you is that you can actually turn down the quality of the video as well. As you can see here, by default, it should be auto, but you can actually choose 144p instead. By doing so, you're going to save data connection and save more time if you have a slow internet connection. Now moving on, the second website on our list where we can watch videos and make money is called bucksinside.com. As you can see here, we can get paid every 10 seconds. That's what I love about this website. You can just watch a very short video like 10 seconds and you can get paid. The best part about this website is that you can cash out instantly once you reach the $2 threshold. On their website, they literally show you the latest 250 payments that they send out to people from all over the world. As you can see here, they're accepting people worldwide. They are very transparent when it comes to all the payments that they send out to people. You can see here all the usernames with their country's flags. You can also see all the payment methods including PayPal, AirTM, Coinbase, Perfect Money, Advance Cash, and so much more. You can also see their total earnings. Let's say for example, this guy right here has total earnings of $956 by just watching videos on this website, which is just incredible. Next, this guy right here has total earnings of $1,479, and this one has over $2,385, even over $5,900, which is crazy. This is just from one website. Now make sure to keep watching to know all of these 4 websites before you go in and try them out yourself. So in order to get started with bucksinside.com, you need to sign up for a free account. To do so, just click on this register button right up here. And that's going to take you to the Bucks Inside registration form, where you need to create a username, enter your login or payment email address, and under the referral section, you can just leave it blank. Next, just choose your preferred currency for cashing out, and choose your preferred payment method. For the payment methods, you can see here, you can choose from PayPal, Advance Cash, Perfect Money, Coinbase, and AirTM. So for me personally, I definitely prefer PayPal because it's more convenient. And if you like PayPal just like me, make sure to comment down below, let me know as well. So from there, just select your birth year. And right at the bottom, you need to choose what they're asking for by clicking one of these icons. This is just to prove that you're not a bot. After that, just click on register right here. But real quick, if you guys are enjoying this video in which I've put a lot of time and energy to actually do, I would really appreciate it if you guys tap the like button and make sure you subscribe with notification on. And if we get 2,000 likes on this video, I'll drop a brand new video next week to show you guys exactly how to make even more money online doing basic stuff like this in the comfort of your home. Now moving on to the third website is called fusioncash.net. The best thing about this website is that they do pay you to sign up for a free account. As you can see here, they give you a $5 sign-up bonus, 100% free for just signing up for an account. Now all you have to do is simply click on this button where it says get $5 so you can register for a free account. And then just fill out your username, email address, password, and zip code, and just click on the register button. Now one thing to take note is that make sure you confirm your email address, make sure you check your inbox for the verification link. Once you're done signing up, you can now watch different videos and start making money. You can also complete different tasks, download mobile apps, play games and refer friends to make money with fusioncash.net. Now moving on, the fourth website on our list, where we can watch videos and make money, is called irazoo.com. This is definitely a legit website. You can earn free gift cards and cash right on this website. As you can see here, they've been paying out a lot of cash to all their members around the world. And they've been featured in Yahoo, CNN, The Penny Hoarder, and also on the Wall Street Journal. And this is basically how it works. First, you need to join irazoo. Next, in order to earn points, you need to watch videos. After earning points, you can then convert it into gift cards or cash rewards through PayPal. Now one thing to take note is that you can earn points, not by just watching videos, but also through downloading apps, taking paid surveys, completing offers, and playing games. Now, in order to start making money with irazoo, you need to sign up for a free account. To do so, just click on this button right here, where it says Get Started. And that's going to take you to this page, where you can join automatically using your Facebook account, or you can also manually fill out your email address, first name, last name, and password, and just click Create Account. So right off the bat, this is what your dashboard would look like. And here are a few tips. You can earn extra free points by just simply setting up your profile, such as answering a few questions, verifying your email, uploading your profile image, and so on and so forth. And from there, when you click on this button, where it says Reward Store, you can choose your country. If you're coming from the US, you can click on this button. If you're coming from Canada, you can click on this one. Or if you're coming from any other country, you can just click on this button, where it says Any Country. And the only way we can cash out on this website is actually through PayPal, so you can receive your earnings via PayPal by simply watching videos. And that's exactly how you make money online, by watching videos. Now if you want to make even more money, then you need to watch this video right here for you to discover how to get paid free PayPal money for just signing up, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online.